Hello students, good morning. Today I am going to discuss our social study chapter 5, having fun together. Take out your book students and start reading with me. All of us have some free time. All of us have some free time. On that time we are doing drawing, somebody is doing drawing, somebody listening music, somebody watching TV, somebody is playing. Everybody has a free time. We like to spend our free time with the family. Everybody likes to spend his free time with his family. Somebody likes to free time with his friend. Okay, we have fun in different ways. On that time we have fun with in a different ways. What are these ways? Let us see. We play many indoor games. Like Ludo, Carrom, Chess. Okay, these are the indoor games. We watch television. Sometimes we draw pictures and color them. We sing and dance together. We read stories and jokes. We play with our pets, friends and brothers and sisters. Okay, in our free times we were doing this type of activities. Okay, we go to meet our relatives on holiday. We go out for a picnic, see the circus show, watching movie, go out to see a movie. We go to zoo. We see different kinds of birds and animals there. In a zoo we see different kinds of birds, different kinds of animals, birds, insects, reptiles. We see theirs. Okay, we also visit fun park. We enjoy there by swinging, rides, artificial rain, etc. Just like Nico Park, Aquatica, on there we ride different types of rides there and having fun there. We can have fun when we go out to eat. It is also fun that when we go out in a very good restaurant and there we eat very delicious and tasty food. Okay, na? This is also fun for us and fun for you also. Playing is our good health. Playing outdoor game is also good for our health, because by playing there our blood circulation will goes very smooth. That's why it is very beneficially for our mind and our physical body also. It makes us active. By playing there our bodies get active, okay, and flexible. We should play outdoor games. We should play outdoor games like football, cricket, and hockey, badminton, etc. We should play at the proper time. Playing in a proper time is a good habit. Playing doesn't mean you always play. Okay, in a proper time you should play. In a proper time you should take your meal. In proper time you should take study your homework or your task, anything. So every work should be done by its proper time. Nothing should be done all time. Playing means you play from morning to evening. You are playing, just playing and playing. Eating doesn't mean you are eating from the morning to at night. Okay, so everything has some proper time, and we should maintain a proper routine for that. Okay, we should play at the proper. Fun and play keep us healthy and active. By fun and playing, our body get healthy and active. Okay, keep us playing and fun. Play and fun keeps us healthy and active. All play and no work makes Jack dull a boy. Play when you should play and study when you should study. Okay, is it right? It's right. When you are playing, you should play there. No one will disturb you. But when you are studying, you must concentrate on your study. You must study on that time. Nothing, no playing is on that time. Okay, playing time is for playing and study is for only study. Okay, we like to spend our free time with whom? With our family. We have dash in many ways. We have fun in many ways. Fun and play makes us healthy and active. Fun and play makes us healthy mind and active body. Okay. Acha, let us discuss our question answer. With whom we should spend our free time? Say, with whom you spend our free time? We should spend our free time with our family. Right? Which outdoor games do you like to play? It's only totally upon you. Which game you like? Somebody is like cricket, somebody is like badminton, somebody is like football. So you can write according to your own choice. Which outdoor game you like. Okay. Who lives in a zoo? Who lives in a zoo? Say, animals and birds. Different types of animals and birds lives in a zoo. When should we visit our relatives? When should we visit our relatives? In our free time. Oh no? In our free time, we visit to our relatives or friends' house. Okay, for spending few times there. Okay. And we watch that. We watch what? What you are watching? We watch television. We play indoor games. Dash house. Indoor games. Inside. Indoor games means within in your house. Inside in your house. And outdoor means outside your house. Okay. So we play indoor games in inside house. Inside. We have some free what? We have some free time. Everybody have some free time. Fun and play makes us healthy and active. Fun and play makes us healthy and active. Okay, healthy mind and active body. We should play all time. Is it right? No, false. Chess is an outdoor game. What? What do you think? Chess is an outdoor game or indoor game? Chess is an indoor game. And here it is written that outdoor game. That's why it is false. We can visit our relatives in any day. No, not any day. In our free time. That's why it is false. We have fun in limited way. No, we have fun in different way. Not a limited way. In different way. Somebody is watching a movie. Somebody is playing with his friends. Somebody is going to his relative's house. Somebody is painting and coloring. So everybody is spending his free time according to their according in a different ways. Okay. Take the correct option. Which of the following is an indoor game? Say football, carom or cricket. Say students, guess what? It's a carom. Carom is an indoor game. Acha. With whom you should play? With whom you should play? Stranger, beggar or friends? With whom you like to play? Say beggars, strangers. No. Is with you are playing with your friends. Okay. Playing is good for our what? Good for our health, good for our fun, or good enjoy. What? So playing is good for our health. Playing is good for our health. Okay. Next E and F is your homework. E and F exercise is your homework. Here it is written, I am discussing again. Write I for indoor and O for outdoor game. Here written is table tennis. Table tennis, what do you think? Table tennis is indoor or outdoor game? It's an indoor game. So you have to write I. Next is Ludo. Ludo is what? Ludo is indoor game or outdoor game? The indoor game. So you have to write I. And then is volleyball. Volleyball is a indoor game or outdoor game? It's a outdoor game. You have to write outdoor game. O. Acha, chess. Chess is a indoor game. So you write I. Acha, cricket. Cricket is indoor or outdoor? Outdoor game. And then hockey. Hockey is an indoor game or outdoor game? It's an outdoor game. So you have to write O. Okay. Achha, Raju went to a zoo on Sunday. There he saw many birds and animals. In the box given below, there are the names of some birds and animals, and circle them. One has been done for you. Okay. Here in this grid, you have to circle few animals and birds' name. Raju went to a zoo on Sunday, and there he saw many birds and animals. So you in this grid, many names of animals and birds are hidden. So your task is to find out that name and put a circle there and write below. Okay. So here is the end of this chapter. I hope you can understand this, and in our next class we will do our question answer, fill-ups, true false, tick mark, and okay. And your task, student, listen to me very carefully. Your task is to go through the book, read this chapter again and properly. Okay, with the help of your teacher or your mother or of your parents, by your parents, as you, before doing this exercise or question answer, you have to read this book, this chapter properly. Okay, you should practice your reading. Okay, students, and till then, till our next class, bye bye, take care. Okay, bye bye.